Welcome to today's mind-blowing video on affiliate marketing, where I'm about to reveal the ultimate strategy that can help you pocket a whopping $1,638 in just one day. If you're a beginner, you're in for a treat because this video holds the keys to your first $1,000 online. And the best part? You don't need to create any content, use your voice, show your face, or have any technical skills. It's absolutely insane, and I'm about to prove just how simple this strategy is. But before we dive into the magic, I've got a favor to ask. Show some love for this video by smashing that thumbs up button, hitting the subscribe button, and ringing that notification bell. Today, get ready to discover a groundbreaking strategy that will completely transform your approach to YouTube content creation and turbocharge your affiliate marketing earnings. First, we'll leverage ChatGPT to craft your video script, and then we'll use Pictory, a revolutionary AI tool, to produce your video seamlessly. As your viewers engage with your content and make purchases through the products you're promoting, you'll be rolling in those lucrative commissions. Now, for the niche we're delving into today, health. In the world of YouTube, one of the evergreen and most popular niches is health and fitness. These videos never go out of style because everyone aspires to stay in good health and shape. Just take a look at this video, which has amassed over 11 million views. If you peek into the description, you'll also spot those affiliate links. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Crafting your script with ChatGPT. Begin by heading over to ChatGPT and simply type in the prompt, "Write me a YouTube script on the topic, how to lose belly fat in 5 easy steps." Within seconds, you'll have a full script at your fingertips. It starts with a captivating introduction, delves deep into the 5 easy steps to shed that unwanted belly fat, and even wraps up with a compelling conclusion. Step 2. Transforming your script with Pictory. Say goodbye to the days of relying on expensive videographers or investing countless hours in video production. With Pictory, you can effortlessly transform your script into a professional quality video in a matter of minutes. Imagine this: realistic AI voices, meticulously curated footage, and perfectly synced music all at your fingertips with just a few clicks. To kickstart this process, simply follow the link provided in the description below to sign up for your free trial of Pictory. Once you've registered and logged in, navigate to the script to video section. Start by giving your video a title right at the top. Then, paste the script generated by ChatGPT into Pictory. Be sure to edit your text if needed, removing any phrases or sentences that you don't want included in the voiceover. For instance, in my script, I'll remove words like "host on camera." Remember to carefully review your script before clicking on the proceed button. On the next screen, you'll be greeted with a wide array of templates to choose from. Take your time to explore the options and select the one that best aligns with your content. Once you've found the ideal template, opt for the 16:9 ratio to ensure your video is YouTube ready. Now, brace yourself for the true marvel of Pictory's AI. In a matter of seconds, Pictory's incredible AI bot will automatically generate scenes that seamlessly match your script, bringing your vision to life like never before. Step 3. Perfecting your video. Now that we've transformed our script into a dynamic video with Pictory AI, it's time to ensure that each scene seamlessly aligns with the text. Begin by clicking on each scene one by one, checking to ensure that the visuals perfectly complement the text. While Pictory is an incredible AI tool that does an impressive job of matching content with videos, it doesn't always get it right. For instance, in this scene where it says "let's dive right into it," the chosen video may not be quite what you had in mind. No worries. Click on the Visuals button on the left-hand side, and you can enter search terms like "let's go to explore alternative options." You'll notice that some videos have a crown icon, indicating they are available with a paid subscription. If you're using the free version, don't fret, there are still plenty of free video options. Once you've found a suitable replacement video, double-click on it, and it will seamlessly replace the current one. Moving on, for scenes with substantial text, it's crucial to break them down. To maintain viewer engagement, aim for just one short sentence per scene. To split a scene, position your cursor where you want the next scene to start and then click on Split Scene. You'll see that the text has now moved to a new scene. Note that both scenes may currently feature the same video. To keep your video engaging, you can unlink them and add a different video to each. To do this, click on the lock symbol to unlock the scenes. Now, you can replace the video in one of the scenes to give it a fresh visual that matches the script. Once again, head over to the left-hand side, click on Visuals, type in the video you're looking for, locate it, and replace it. Repeat this process for the remaining scenes in your video to ensure a cohesive and engaging experience for your viewers. Step 4. Adding a captivating voiceover. Now, let's add a compelling voiceover. This step will elevate your content, making it even more engaging and professional. Here's how to make it happen. 1. Access the audio section, navigate to the audio section in Pictory's navigation panel. Within this section, you'll find the voiceover tab. Click on it to proceed. 2. Choose the perfect voice. Take your time to explore the available voice options and listen to a few samples.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Select the voice that aligns perfectly with the tone and style of your video. Personally, I find Tom's voice to be an excellent choice. It has a natural, human-like quality and a youthful tone that resonates well with my target audience. Once you've made your decision, click on Apply. 3. Set the mood with background music. Enhancing your video's appeal is as easy as adding the right background music. In the audio section, navigate to the Background Music tab, where you can explore a library of tracks to find the perfect one. For instance, if you're aiming for an upbeat vibe like I am, you can filter your search by selecting the uplifting mood in the Mood section. After sampling a few songs, I've chosen one that perfectly complements my video's tone. Once I've made my selection, a simple click on Apply incorporates the music seamlessly into my video. You can then fine-tune the balance between the background music and the voiceover by adjusting the volume settings. Let's take a moment to listen to what we've created so far.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel.
Upon review, I'm quite satisfied with the volume levels of both the background music and the voiceover, so there's no need for me to make any changes. 4. Download your completed video. Now it's time to put the finishing touches on your masterpiece. Simply click on the download button. In just a matter of minutes, your video will be transformed, polished to perfection, and ready to share with your eager audience. Before we delve into the next exciting phase of our affiliate marketing journey, may I kindly request your support? If you're finding these insights valuable, please consider showing your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell. Now, let's dive right back in. Step 5. Joining ClickBank. Now, let's move on to the next crucial step, registering an account on ClickBank, one of the leading affiliate marketing platforms in the game. Simply head over to clickbank.com and find your way to the registration page. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll unlock a treasure trove of offers waiting to be promoted, and you'll earn commissions for your efforts. To streamline your search, explore the product categories conveniently listed on the left side of the page. Our goal here is to find a product that aligns perfectly with the topic we're addressing. For instance, in our case, we're delving into the realm of weight loss, so we'll initiate a search for weight loss-related products. As you begin your search, a list of relevant products will grace your screen, offering potential opportunities for you to promote as an affiliate marketer. Now, when you're navigating through ClickBank's product page, pay close attention to these key elements. 1. Gravity score. This score acts as a litmus test for a product's popularity and performance among affiliates. Generally, a higher gravity score signifies a product with a proven track record of sales and may be a wise choice for promotion. 2. Commission. To gauge your earnings potential, inspect the commission details provided on the product page. In our example, you can pocket $136.17 for every customer who purchases this product through your link. 3. Affiliate page. Don't forget to click on the affiliate page button, granting access to a dedicated page filled with comprehensive information. This goldmine might include product features, marketing materials, promotional strategies, and additional resources to supercharge your affiliate marketing game. Once you've made your product selection, simply click on Promote, and you'll receive a hop link, your one-of-a-kind affiliate link. Keep this link handy, it's a crucial asset for the next step in our journey. Step 6. Share your video on YouTube. It's the moment you've been waiting for, unveiling your video to the vast YouTube audience. I won't go into the nitty-gritty of uploading your video, as countless resources are available for that. However, I want to emphasize the single most vital step, adding your affiliate link. This is absolutely non-negotiable. Recall the affiliate link we generated earlier? Well, it's time to make it work its magic. In your video's description, prominently showcase your affiliate link. Ensure it's crystal clear, easily accessible, and user-friendly for your viewers. When they click on this link and make a purchase, you'll be on your way to enjoying those lucrative commissions. With your YouTube video now unleashed, ready to captivate and convert your audience, you're edging closer to realizing your affiliate marketing ambitions.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a hot topic that many of you have been asking for. How to lose belly fat in 5 easy steps. Whether you're looking to shed some extra pounds for health reasons, or just want to feel more confident, we've got you covered.